what are acceptable canned foods for you and your family?
One thing you want to check out with canned foods is you want to buy canned foods that has BPA-Free written on the label.
Is that with aluminum cans also, as well as plastic?
Definitely in aluminum cans as well. So
okay.
BPA is a chemical that can leach into your food. Problem with that is then when you eat the food, it assimilates into your body.
Whenever you open a can, I never put it back in the fridge, just open like that. You want to dump the contents into a glass.
I prefer coconut milk from a can because I love the healthy fats from it. So anytime I crack coconut milk in a can, I'll add it to my smoothie and then I'll take it out of the can and put it into a glass container, Tupperware container, and close it up, put it back in the fridge. Don't put a can back into your fridge when it's exposed to the oxygen because that will help eat away at the inside of the can as well. I just did a video called Reasons Why You're Still Hungry After You Just Ate. One of the reasons is because BPA is a chemical that can actually affect your leptin hormone, like your hunger hormone. So if you are taking in more BPA from cans and stuff, it can actually increase your hunger even though you're actually fully satiated.
Some canned foods that we would use are, like you said, the coconut. We use canned tuna or chicken sometimes. Canned tomato sauce maybe occasionally.
No, I was gonna say I've never used canned tomato sauce.
You haven't?
No,
I've
because
used
that's
to make homemade tomato
That's
sauce.
one of the ingredients in cans that can really leach into your food. Like that's, if you look up BPA can, that is one of the foods you should avoid from a can. So I always get canned tomato sauce from an actual
jarred tomato sauce
bottle.
usually, If you guys wanted to include beans or something like that, we don't eat beans just because we don't prefer them. But if you wanted to add like black beans or garbanzo beans to your salads or something, that would be acceptable.
I really think the only cans that we have is coconut milk.
I know, I really
else.
do. I'm thinking of our pantry and I think the only cans in there are coconut milk. Tuna. So those are the two.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.